So we're supposed to have some crazy snowstorm over here in northern Jersey. I live in New Jersey, lots of snow. And what do you do in the snow? You eat. So I said to the Golden Girls, you guys want me to make nachos? And they're like, yes. I said, okay, let's do it. All right, first I'm gonna put down some shredded cheddar because everything is hot. So everything is gonna melt this cheddar. The taco meat, just seasoned with taco seasoning. Spread it around. All right, next I'm gonna go in with salsa con queso. I'm gonna pour that right over there. Goodness. All right, next we're gonna go with some cherry tomatoes right on top. Some jalapeno peppers. Little taco sauce. Woo! All right, next we're gonna go in with little dollops of sour cream. And we got a little guacamole. A little fresh cilantro. There you have it. Snowy nachos. Look at that. We gotta at least try it, right? Cheers. Let's hit another one for good measure. On point.